Replacing a bathtub spout is an easy home improvement project you can do yourself. In fact, the hardest part of the whole project is making sure you purchase the right type of spout. Some tub spouts have diverters that direct the water up to the shower head. Other spouts don't have one because there's a diverter built into the shower valve itself. You also need to know how your existing spout attaches to the plumbing. Look underneath, and if you see a small set screw like this, you've got a slip-on tub spout. If there's no set screw, well then you've got a threaded spout. In this video, we'll show you how to replace both types. In this bathroom, the tub spout is old and corroded. To remove the spout, start by carefully cutting any caulking between the tub spout and the wall. There's no set screw underneath, so we know that this is a spout that is threaded on. Grasp the spout firmly with your hands and gently turn it counterclockwise. With a few turns, you'll be able to remove the spout, leaving the threaded copper nipple sticking out of the wall. Now is a good time to seal the opening between the pipe and the wall with silicone caulking. Then wrap new pipe thread tape around the threads on the nipple. If the nipple extends less than 3/4 of an inch from the wall, you'll need a tub spout with threads here, close to this end. But if the nipple extends about 4 inches, then you'll need a tub spout with the threads down here. Just screw the spout onto the stubbed out nipple until it touches the wall. Don't use pliers to tighten a spout. They could cause you to over tighten it or scratch the finish. The final step is to apply a thin bead of silicone caulk around the top 3/4 of the spout. If you have a set screw on your existing bathtub spout, the installation, well, it's just a little different. Loosen the screw and pull the spout away from the wall. You may need to twist or wiggle it a bit. Apply some waterproof plumber's grease on the copper nipple and then push the spout until it touches the wall. Then tighten the set screw and apply caulking. When you're done, test the spout for any leaks with the diverter open and closed. If you see any water coming from the back of the spout, remove it and double check the connections. And here's one more tip. They also make a universal tub spout that comes with several different adapters for both slip-on and threaded connections. And it comes with a bushing that allows you to connect the spout to 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch threaded pipe. It's one spout that should work in just about any situation.